Hello and welcome, or welcome back. Thank you for stopping by today. I really do appreciate your time and support. So we're going to be doing yet another look with the Stila Blue Veil Velvet Eyeshadow Palette, and I want to test all the eyeshadows in this palette. The only shades I've got to test really, I know I've used this one quite a lot, but I want to use that today all over the eyelid. And then this gold, so we're going to be using it for the next 2 days, and then I can give you an overall mini review at the end. I think so far it's a really beautiful palette. I just love these two special shades, and that blue yesterday when I used it was popping. I love it so much. The only downside to this palette so far is that it doesn't have a more deeper eyeshadow. So you've got this like light brown transition and then this rosy transition, but you don't have anything to deepen it out and to give you more depth, so that is the only thing that's wrong with it. The only colour I'd probably change for a deeper matte would be probably this gold, but I don't know for sure. I can tell you more on that tomorrow when I use it, just because it was quite sheer when I showed it to you in yesterday's video. I mean, I'll show you again now. You can, I mean, it looks okay there, but then when you come to do the swatch, that's it there. It's very sheer, but we could build it up with setting spray and things like that. So I don't know if I would purely take this out of the palette. I'll be able to tell you more tomorrow. So what we're going to do, this is going to be no surprise because this is my favourite matte in the palette. I'm going to go in again with this Dusty Rose eyeshadow, and then I'm going to put this on, so on the lid, sorry. So yeah, let's get to it. First of all though, let me find my white chocolate bar, not white chocolate bar, Too Faced chocolate bar to put the white chocolate shade on. So soon I'll be able to give you an update on the progress that I've made on this palette. I have made a little bit of progress, as you would imagine, because I've been using it a lot, especially this past week, to put this shade on. Okay, that's it for that palette. So I'm just colour switching my brush off. Let's zoom in. Then I'm going to go in with Enchant. You'd think I would know this colour name by now, or eyeshadow name should I say. The brush I'm using, I think this one just came from eBay. It says it's a 217, so I'm just going to use that. I've been really enjoying using it. It's kind of taken over my Real Techniques one. I do need to get some more kind of like blending brushes like this. I don't have near enough in my collection, I don't think. I've got a lot of brushes but none like this. So I might have to take to eBay. I need to shop on eBay anyway to get another external light. I'm having to bang my external light that fits onto my camera, like onto the camera horseshoe, to make it come on. I mean, that's not good, is it? Especially when my work surface is glass. So yeah, not good at all to do that. It's a beautiful colour this, guys. I think I'm going to put some in the outer V as well, just to try and deepen it a little bit. So how are you guys all doing? I hope you're doing really well. I'm just getting ready to go to my mum's. It's currently Sunday, and you know what Sunday is round at my mum's house? Sunday dinner. And guys, I've got to say, I am so lucky. She just makes a cracking Sunday dinner. And we're having dessert today as well, so what more can a girl ask for? Right, so I think that's enough. I really like the way that's looking. So now all we need to do is find that small accent brush, yeah, which I've found, and then go in with Enlighten. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go on with this one. I really like it because it looks white in the pan, then you can see specks of pink, and then it has a shift of blue. So I want to see, ooh, what's that? So I want to see what it looks like all over the eye. Ooh, that's stunning. Can you see that? That is so nice. A few people have complained about this palette. I really don't know what they're going on about. I mean, unless I'm really just not picky when it comes to eyeshadows, but I feel like I am. It's gorgeous. Right, let's wipe the colour off and then we can spritz it. Again, just using the Primark Glow Intensity setting spray, just trying to use it all up, but it's taking forever. It is quite a big bottle. You get 160 mils, but it's lasted well over a year, I would say, maybe even longer than that. But I do have a tendency to lose it, so no wonder it's lasting that long. Oh, sprayed. It's looking absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see the difference between the inner corner and the rest, but it just looks stunning. I would wear this shade on a night out, guys. I'd look like a disco ball, but I'd wear it on a night out. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of this palette. I know I say that about quite a lot of palettes in my collection, but the majority of them don't have unique shades in like this. The Huda one does, Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde, that has some kind of like unique cream to powders. What else do I have? The Urban Decay Moon Dust does as well. And then I've started collecting like liquid shimmers, so yeah, I'll get quite a bit of use out of them as well. I'm just piling this shade on because I really like the way it looks. I think there's gonna be a point where I have to stop though. Ooh, mamma mia. That shade, guys, is better than that one. And that's a kind of similar shade. The kind of like duochromes. See, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but it's looking purple now. Like it shifts white, blue, purple. It's just really, really nice. So now what I'm going to do is, I think I'll use this brush, this smoky brush, and I'll just go in with this shade here. Don't really have anything deeper than that. And we'll just put it on the lash line. Get quite a chunk of it. I'm going to join it to where it meets that shade in the crease. How simple is this look though? And it looks like I've spent quite a long time doing it. Forgot to turn that dehumidifier off before I filmed this video. Okay, what I want to do now is, I was looking through my makeup bag where I keep my pencils. And I've lost the NYX milk one that I had. I'm going to have to purchase another one if they do them, because I feel like the NYX milk pencil is a better base than the NYX white. Do you know that comes in the pot that I use? So I want to use this just in the inner corners. And this is the Kohl Kajal Creamy Soft Kohl Eyeliner from Miss Sporty, and it just says Pump Up Booster. Does it tell me a shade? Luminous Beige. So I thought I could put this in the inner corners and maybe on the brow bone as well. Now I wouldn't normally put a shimmer on the brow bone, but I want to see what this looks like. So let's do that. It's matte anyway, it's not a shimmer. Right, so a bit of a spoiler, I'll tell you about this before I get into my project pan update. Because this is quite old, I'm gonna use it, or I'm gonna try and use it up. I mean, there's a ton of products. It's still like that's how much product's in it. So I'm gonna try and use this up this year, and just get it out in my crayon collection, and I'm going to keep bringing them out because I have just got so many. Let me show you. Right, so I'll keep them in this Benefit case. I got this when I got my brows done at Benefit once. So it's look at them all. It's practically full, and there's a lot of bronzes. There's this green which I wouldn't mind actually bringing out. I do need to test them all to see if they're all kind of okay to use, but yeah, we will be using them. Once I finish one pencil, I'll rotate another one in, which is what I'm doing with my eyeliners. So I think that's it. There's actually something in the corner of my eye. Glitter down here now. Right, so we're just going to do the usual tight lining and mascara. Oh, where are you? Oh, you're there. So the eyeliner I'm going to use is just the usual Too Faced Love eyeliner. I'll be glad when this is out of the collection because it's super old at this point, and there really isn't much left, is there? It's like a travel size eyeliner at this point. Okay. Then we're going to go in with the Essence I Heart Extreme mascara from, obviously, Essence. Actually, no, I wanted to use the curlers first. Let me just get them. Now, normally I don't use curlers, but I thought I would use these. These are the Imite curlers. So yeah, let's use them. I've just always thought I don't need them. They've got quite a little bit of curl to it naturally. That's probably because my hair is naturally curly. And every time I go to Benefit or somewhere like that and they're doing my makeup, they're like, haven't you got curly eyelashes or long eyelashes? And I'm like, have I? Because I just don't think I do have curly eyelashes or long eyelashes. It's probably the sales technique to get people to buy. Works every single time. Every time I use this mascara though, I say, you know, how lovely it is. And it truly is, guys. I would definitely get this again. I think I've been using it about a month at this point. The formula is still very wet. Normally it kind of dries, doesn't it? And it's not done that yet. Don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because it gets everywhere, or it can if you go in with too much of it. Right, I'm gonna pat some of this on with my fingers like I normally do. I mean, that's the colour. Can you see the shift? Beautiful. Okay, so now I've just grabbed a lipstick. Ugh. Got to say though, guys, I hate the squeakiness of this case. It wasn't like that when I bought it, it's just done that over the last few times I've used it, which is odd. So what we're going to be using is this one. This is the only red that I've got on my lipstick edit tray back there, and it isn't part of this week's lipstick edit, but it was there, and I just thought, well, I can't use the Jeffree Star one. The Jeffree Star Anna Nicole shade is going bad, like I said in the previous video, so we'll just have to use this one. So this one is in Ruby Red. I also had this Sephora one, and this one is being decluttered as well. I think that's on its way out, but this one isn't. It's just a really nice matte raspberry red. So yeah, we're going to use that. I think it will look really nice. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Not the best application because I haven't put a lip liner down, but it looks so pretty. Got some on my tooth. Story of my life, I just had a bit of lipstick on the tooth. That always happens with darker shades though. This lipstick was about £1 on sale, and I just absolutely love it. I was actually thinking about decluttering it a while ago just because it doesn't fit properly in my lipstick containers, but yeah, I'm definitely going to be keeping hold of it. It's in the shade Ruby Red 05, and it says it's a creamy matte, and it definitely is a creamy matte shade. It's absolutely gorgeous. I've got another one, I think is by Model Zone, and that one is just as nice. So yeah, I really like it. I think it looks nice with this look. Let's put some setting spray on. So there isn't much left in this, and I really enjoyed it. I'm not going to be buying a new one just yet, but when I need a new one, I will definitely I will definitely get the full size in this, or maybe I'll just get a travel size again. The next one I use the next setting spray I use will be the excuse me, I'm losing my voice. It will be the L'Oreal Shake and Glow. I'll probably put it in here. This is a really nice fine mister. Oh, it smells so good. Right, so I'm going to come forward, actually zoom in, and show you the overall finished look. I really like it. If you couldn't tell before when I did it, yeah, I really like it. I would recommend this palette, just like on using the 5 shades. Yeah, it's a 6 shade palette, which for the price, you could probably get other palettes for the same price, but Stila are known for their shadows. I've only got one other Stila eyeshadow palette, which I want to do some looks with that soon. But yeah, I do think it's worth it, especially as you get those 2 unique shades here. This blue is really metallic. I don't know about this one yet, this gold, so we'll see about that tomorrow. So this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. It really does mean a lot to me. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to become part of our little fam. Please hit that subscribe button down below. Please click the like button because that really does help out the channel, and share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.